Good day guys, today I'm going to show you how to erase or how to delete the files from your GoPro Hero 7. Yes, basically all you need to do is just swipe it down to unlock if your GoPro Hero 7 is set to that mode. Yeah, and then all you need to do is swipe it down again and go to Preference. And you will see here the connection, general, voice control, touch display, regional, input, output, about, and reset. Click the reset, and from here you're going to see format SD card, reset default, reset camera tips, factory reset, and all you need to do is format SD card. It means that format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card format. So that's easy. So that's basically how you erase your files from your memory card in this GoPro Hero 7. Thank you for watching guys. Ciao.